Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, we will solve a question on Newton's law of motion. It's a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics M1. This question I have taken from March 20, variant 4.1, question 2. For the other videos on the topic or on any topic of AS or A-level mathematics, you can refer my website address, which is tkmaths.com or tkmaths1.blogspot.com. So the question is about a mass of a car which is towing a trailer of a trawler of mass 400 kg, and it is happening on the straight horizontal road. The car and the trailer are connected by a light rigid tow bar. The car is accelerating at a rate of 1.5 meter per second square. So this is basically per second square. This -2 is a mistake. There are constant resistance forces of 250 Newton on the car and 100 Newton on the trailer. Now the same question I have explained with the help of the diagram. It always helps us to understand the question better and help us to solve the question. So here I have drawn that trawler car. They are connected with the tow bar, and the resistance force they are facing is 100 Newton and 250 Newton. These are the masses of the vehicles, and they are accelerating at the rate of 1.5 meter per second square. I have to find the tension in the tow bar. So what I will do, I will make use of this part of this system to find the tension in the tow bar. There is no forward force given to me, so I will not consider this part at the moment. So using Newton's second law of motion, which is F is equals to ma, the forward force is T Newton, and the backward force, which is due to friction, is 100 Newton. So resultant will be T minus 100 is equals to mass is 400 and acceleration is 1.5. So I will simply calculate and I will get my tension 700 Newton. Unit is important to write here. Let's see the second part of the question. In the second part of the question, it is asking about the power of the engine of the car at the instant when the speed is 20 meter per second. So using the same diagram, to find out the power, I need to find out, for example, the force exerted by the engine first. Power is actually what? Power is equals to force into velocity, right? So I'm trying to find out force so that I can multiply it by the velocity. There are other ways also, but I found this always easy for students to understand. So I'm taking the same approach. Okay, so now there are two ways to find out this force. Either you consider the whole system or you only consider part of the system. So I have tried to find it out with the help of both ways. So first of all, let's see the whole system. When you're seeing the whole system, the forward force is F. The backward force is 250 Newton, 100 Newton. And here tension is this backward and this forward because of car and trailer, but they're canceling each other effect. You know, this is going backward, this is coming forward, and they're same magnitude, T. So that's why we will not consider it. So we will take forward force as F, backward force is 250 Newton and 100 Newton in the Newton's second law of motion. And in mass, of course, I will add up the mass of both the vehicles times 1.5. So I'll calculate and get the force, which is 3650 Newton. Now, if I only consider the first part of this system to calculate the force, then I will only consider this part, right? This part of the system. Using the same Newton's second law of motion, now it will be F minus T minus 250, right? Forward force, backward forces is equals to ma. And T we have calculated in part 1, which was 700 Newton. So you'll plug in the value and you will calculate. It will be 3650 same Newton. Now you have to find the power. So you can use equation power is equals to force into velocity and plug in the values. And you will get the power, which is 73,000 watts. Or you can write 73 kW, which means kilowatt. So both ways you can use it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends for the encouragement. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.